Good afternoon, guys. I guess it's another late start. It's a cloudy day. Like I said, gonna head down to the beach, grab lunch at the Scarborough Fish Chips joint, which is further down, probably like 300 meters on the beach, and go from there. Looks like another, hopefully it doesn't rain. Not much going on today. I thought about heading down to the pier where the big sculpture of the hawk is, but that's gonna cost me like 24 ringgits to get there and then 24 to get back, and there's not much to see down there. Like if you said there was like a shopping mall, I would, do that, but there's nothing much there besides that sculpture. So I'm just gonna stick around here, chill, I don't know, just contemplate about life, enjoy the beach life, and enjoy the rest of the day. Not gonna be doing much. There's really not much to do up north besides beaches, kayaking. Weather's not too good. The way I don't know, it looks choppy, but probably I don't know, a little think about it. I don't know, there's not much. That's it for now. Switching to 360 mode. Guys, I'm at the Scarborough Fish and Chip stall right there. So I just got the basic fish and chips and a lime juice. Hopefully tastes good because it is pretty pricey. 25 ringgit and 8 ringgit for a juice. Pretty steep. Anyways, I just flew the drone back and forth. Got to the island. It's not too bad. It's getting a little windy, so I brought the drone back. But the race is over. Yeah, pretty cool. Too bad I didn't have some goggles, or I would have signed up. I definitely would have signed up for the race. But now they're just cleaning up the site. So yeah, nothing much going on. Island life, it's pretty quiet. Here's the view for lunch. It's a pretty popular spot. A lot of people here right now. So, but again, like I mentioned, it's pretty steep. I'm just trying it for the science, for the food science, for you guys. That's why. All right. Anyways, I'll chat with you in a bit. All right, the food has arrived. Pretty large portion, as the reviews have stated. Alright, these Asian people just keep on switching seats, causing trouble for the owners. Typical Asian. see what this is. Some chili sauce. Alright, you got a little bit of everything. You got some salad. Alright, let's do a taste. Pretty flaky, looks dry. Not bad, pretty fresh. Just on a tad dry side. But overall, not bad. Pretty good. Alright guys, that's it for now. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Good afternoon, guys. Sorry about the noise. It's that time again. It's dinner time. Not much has happened since lunch, besides walking around, walking the beach, and trying to figure out what to do. Internet's been down all afternoon, couldn't do nothing. So I've been sitting in the room, chilling in the AC, and dwelling on my life. But now I'm here. I'm on the main street, as you can see. The beach is like over there, along that way. And there is the cottage is back there somewhere, so I just walked out. Originally I went to another place up the street, Restorian something. It's supposed to be good, but it's closed for some reason. It's supposed to open at 5. Well, it's 6 o'clock and I walked there and it's closed. So saw this on the side, so came here instead. Yeah, so what a day. Nothing happened besides flying a drone, watch a race. That was pretty much it. Tomorrow's my last full day. Not sure what I'm gonna do, but oh well. Probably just another beach day. Get a tan and enjoy the sun. Yeah. Pretty much been pretty chilled up here. That's it, guys. Langkawi. Thanks for having me. It's been a good couple of days. But it's been a little too slow. Hours of operation is kind of whack. I'm not used to it. A lot of things are not open, even though they state it is open. So I don't know. Anyway, yeah, that's my rant for today. But I can't complain. I'm enjoying this. And next stop, Kunabalu on Tuesday, and we're gonna get back into that. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm not gonna do much in the room anyways, so ciao. All right, I am back. Dinner is done. Just walking back to the village. As you can see, this is what I see every day. It's very different, but it's very peaceful. Thank goodness the village is very close, so just basically where that bike just turned out, I just turn in and then I can walk further down. Maybe I'm just gonna walk down to the beach, check out the sunset, and see if it's worth any time lapse. But yeah, that dinner was very simple. Fried chicken and rice, and some gailan vegetables. I gotta watch where I'm walking. All these cars flying by. There's no sidewalk, as you can see, on both sides. But this is the sidewalk here. And there's that side. I saw two I guess Malaysian runners. They ran on the street. Maybe I should do that tomorrow. Get some exercise in. But yeah, very simple life here, guys. Very simple. Whew. Alright, we made it to the entrance. where I'm staying at, Tanjung village, which is just down there, and then a quick lefty. Sun's already behind the mountain over there. That is where the sky cab is, and the sky bridges. I guess I could have went today, would have looked amazing, but oh well. Guess that's it. At least I got a sunset from Langkawi. Simple, not the best looking of beaches, at least here, but if you go further up north, you can start seeing it turn white. Yeah, so all there. So you go around the bend, and then it's all white sand. I tried walking there, but the security guard stopped me. Apparently that section is owned by a Four Seasons resort, hence the security guard. So I guess I'm not going there anytime soon. Well, I could go there. I could rent a moped or a motorbike or a car and drive up, or walk, which is 54 minutes as per Google. But it's just a beach. I've been to many beaches this trip, so one less beach doesn't matter. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the sunset back there. Alright, I'm back again. Just finished doing some time lapses. Sunset was alright. Nothing spectacular, especially when you have a power plant in front of the mountain. But yeah, this is it. Going back. Mosquitoes are coming. Gotta get back in. I got bitten crazy yesterday during dinner. Just up there when I was having dinner. So I gotta get back in now. They're coming. I can feel it. The creepy collies. Alright guys, that's enough of me. You're probably sick of seeing me anyways. Here comes the biker. Woo! Actually, I'm gonna go to the reception and order a breakfast for tomorrow morning. Gonna get a smoothie bowl, I think. I think that's what it was called. But yeah, need something healthy. I miss Ubud. Ubud breakfasts are amazing. Let's see if Amy is here. Hi! Can I order a breakfast for tomorrow morning? Let's see. I was gonna a tropical smoothie bowl.
Tropical?
Yeah, smoothie bowl.
One.
Yeah, this one. Okay.
What time?
10 o'clock.
10.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. All right. So smoothie bowl ordered, and now I'm gonna go take a shower because I'm all sweaty. Oh, look at this. I didn't really see this. This is pretty cool. Lights up. There's a can here. Something's in here. Alright, let's do a night walkthrough. And it's pretty nice. It's pretty cute looking place. But here's my room right here. I think there's someone else upstairs, but I live here. Alright, good night guys.